Hello friends, welcome back. This video will be very useful for those who are very much freshers and they are wanted to enter into a software tester role. Then for them, this would be the first question they will be asking in any interview. Tell me something about yourself. So let us understand how to answer this question. This question is very straightforward and you should be able to answer this question within 3 to 4 minutes. And this question really makes you succeed or it makes you failure. So that's why you should prepare with a right answer for this interview question. You should answer this question in a more organized way. The first thing you should tell my name. My name is so and so. That is the first thing you should introduce yourself to the interviewer by calling out your name. Then I am from so and so place. Maybe if you can say I am from Bangalore or I am from Hyderabad, I am from Gurgaon. I have come from this college. I have studied from this college, or I have completed my graduation from so and so college, and I have completed so and so degree, and I have a master degree or a diploma or whatever. Right? You should clearly call that out in this first three lines. What is your name? What is your place, from which place you come from, and what is your education qualification. This would be the brief introduction about yourself. Then we will move further to the technical aspect, especially the skills which you bring to take up the software tester role. So here what you should do, being a fresher out of the college, you may not have a exposure or you may not have an experience in handling any testing project. Only thing you might have done here is you might have taken courses from any institutions or online certificates on any functional testing or non-functional aspects. Basically you should build a confidence to the your interviewer that you are not just came out of the college, you just do not just back up the certificates with a higher percentage of marks or from the university or from the top notch college. You're also talking about you also gone through various training courses, you also gone through various institutions to learn the software testing by breaking down further into functional, non-functional areas. That would give more confidence, more weightage to your profile whenever you are trying to answer this question in this way. Being a fresher, you are not just attended the any certificates or any courses, you also taken up certain internship roles as well. There are certain internship roles normally people will execute as part of the final year project or the projects which they executed after completing their courses. These days, a lot of work from home internships are available where you can clearly take few internships and build your resumes in a more stronger way. In that way, whenever you are trying to tell this answer to the interviewer, your interviewer will feel lot of confidence in you and lot of confidence in your profile. You should also talk about more in depth about the kind of internship you have taken as an intern. What are the things you have performed as part of the that project which you have handled as your final project or post completing your courses, where you should clearly call that out, have a lot of exposure in writing the test cases. You should also talk about to execute the test cases. You should also talk about the method of logging a defects, the defect life cycle, whatever the way you operated as in the internship role. Definitely you should drill down further in detail so that that would boost your confidence, and as well as that would give a lot of weightage to your profile when you're answering this tell me something about yourself. And also you should talk about various testing concept you worked upon. Either it could be black box testing, white box testing, whatever the concept you should call that out as part of the internship project. And also if you worked on any automation projects, definitely you should call that out as well. And any learnings you are making using any tools available, either it could be open source or commercial tool, you should call that out also as part of answering this interview question. That would give a lot of weightage lot of value addition to your profile. So by giving all this background, definitely your interviewer will feel lot of confidence in you because you're able to give complete information and you're able to cover everything in 4 to 5 minutes in answering this question. Hope you guys clearly got an idea how to answer. Tell me something about yourself as a fresher or just came out of the project and you are looking for a software tester role as a fresh out of the college, then how you should answer. I've clearly explained in this video in a more detailed way. If you guys really like this video, then please give a thumbs up to this video. If you guys are not subscribed, then do subscribe and click on bell icon so that all our future videos will be in your inbox. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.